Our nutritional myths are stopping you from losing weight? Today, we are busting 7 of the biggest nutritional myths about weight loss that almost everyone believes. These are science-based, practical, and may completely change the way you eat. Myth number 1. Carbs make you fat. Not at all. But the truth is, not all carbs are bad. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are essential for energy and fiber. Study shows that refined carbs like white bread and pastries are linked to weight gain, but complex carbs such as whole grain, fruits, and vegetables support weight loss by keeping you full longer. Myth number 2. Skipping meals helps you weight loss. No, skipping meals often leads to overeating later. Research shows irregular eating disturbs blood sugar and metabolism, making weight management harder. Myth number 3. All fats are bad. But the truth is, healthy fats like avocado, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish actually support weight loss by improving satiety and hormone balance. Science shows that diet with healthy fats can be more effective than low-fat diets. Myth number 4. Eating healthy foods means you cannot gain weight. No, healthy foods have calories that add up. So yes, controlling portion size is the key if your goal is to lose weight. Science shows that eating too much healthy foods can still make you weight gain. Myth number 5. Detox teas and cleanser burn fat. But the truth is, there is no scientific evidence. In short, detox tea is equals to temporary water loss, not the real fat loss. Science shows your liver and kidney are natural detox system. Real fat loss comes from low caloric and balanced nutrition. Myth number 6. Protein is only for bodybuilders. No, protein is important for everyone trying to lose weight. It preserves muscles and boosts metabolism. Study shows that high-protein diets increase satiety and caloric burn, helping with sustainable fat loss. Myth number 7. Snacking causes weight gain. No, snacking isn't the problem. It's what and how much you snack. Eating chips and chocolates can add up loads of extra calories, but choosing balanced snacks like fruits, yogurts, nuts, or veggies can actually keep you satisfied and prevent overeating at mealtimes. Research shows that mindful, nutritious snacking can help control appetite and support steady energy, while mindless snacking is what leads to weight gain. So there you have it. 7 nutritional myths that stop you from losing weight. Remember, science shows that balance, consistency, and sustainable habits are what really matters. So if this video is helpful for you, please like, share, and subscribe to Simple Nutrition Tips.